Hello children, in the last session we discussed about the requirements for the plant growth. Okay, I told you people that three things are very important for the plant growth. One is the soil, second one is the water, and third one is the sunlight. Okay, let's observe the plants children. If we don't provide the water, how they will be, and if we don't provide the sunlight, how they will be, and if we don't provide the fertile soil, what will happen. Okay, let us observe the plants. Children, now you are seeing the plant. So here I provided the fertile soil for this plant and I poured the water every day. Okay, and I kept it in a sunlight. See the growth of the plant, it is very good. So if you see, the leaves are very healthy, right? So it is having the proper growth, children. So let's observe the second plant. So here I did not provided anything to the soil. I did not added any manure to this. The soil is not fertile, and even I did not provide the water for 10 days, children. See the plant, if you see, observe the leaves of the plant, they are going to dry, and if you observe the stem also, it is very weak, children. Okay, if you continue this for 4 days, if you don't provide the water, ultimately the plant will dry. Okay, now we understood, children, if soil is not fertile and water is not provided, then plants will not grow. Okay, so observe this third one. So this plant, children, to observe what will happen if we don't provide the sunlight, I kept this plant in a cupboard. Okay, so see, so what did you observe? This plant, if you observe the plant's leaves, they are turning into yellow in color. Okay, so because of the absence of sunlight, the plant cannot produce its food material. So the leaves are turning into yellow in color. Then after that, ultimately they will fall down from the plant. And if the leaves are died, what will happen? Ultimately the plants also will die because of the lack of the food. Okay, so this plant will show the effect of sunlight. Okay, the leaves will turn into yellow in color and will not get the food, and this plant will show the effect of soil and water, right? And this plant is the proper one which is provided with sunlight, water and fertile soil, children. Now you understood the importance of the three things, right? Sunlight, water and fertile soil. Okay, so I am going to give an assignment to you people. You need to observe your surrounding plants and see the growth if they are not provided with water, sunlight and fertile soil. Okay, children.